In this video we're going to look at how to use the Dashboard Users page. The Dashboard Users page allows you to create new users to access the dashboard. You also have the ability to manage users and change their permission levels. This is the Dashboard Users page. First of all, you will notice that there is a New User button. We can click this to add a new user to the dashboard. When creating a new user, you can see that we've got to enter the user's email address. This should be a valid email address, as the system will send this user an email to set their password, and they can also request password resets if they've forgotten their password. The next field on the new user page is the role field. There are currently 3 roles to choose from. The admin role, which allows the user to access everything on the dashboard. The resource manager role, that will allow users to make changes to granular access rules, adding new service providers, etc. But they will not be able to perform super admin functions such as changing users' passwords, adding new users, or restarting services. And then finally we have the viewer role. This will just allow the user to view statistics and logs and perform no changes to any of the IDP or the dashboard. Once you click Create User, you will then be presented with the success message. Going back to the user dashboard page, we can see that we have a table of dashboard users. We have a list of all the users' email addresses, and we also have the ability to either edit or delete those users. You'll notice that on your account you'll only have the option to edit, because you're not able to delete your own account. Clicking on Edit shows a very similar page to the new user page. However, this time you probably noticed that email is greyed out. It's not actually possible to edit a user's email address, you just delete their account and make them a new account if their email had changed. We also now have an extra option to set the password for the user. If you don't want to edit the user's password this time, you can just leave this blank and no changes to the user's password will happen. And finally we have the ability to change the user's role. If you want to save the changes, you can click the update button, otherwise just click the back button to go back to the user's dashboard. The final function of the users page is the delete user. You can just click delete and then you'll be presented with a confirmation page, which also confirms what email or user account that you're about to delete. And then if you want to definitely delete this user, you just click delete user to confirm, or press the back button if you do not want to perform this action.